Okay, good day. I am from Globalize Agency here in Malaysia and I am the Philippine recruiter. I receive your buy data from Avantage Agency in the Philippines. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you speak English or can you understand English?
A little bit, ma'am.
Are you a 100% willing to come here in Malaysia without any hesitation?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you healthy or do you have any health issues in your body?
I'm healthy, ma'am.
Our interview, this is recorded and it will be uploaded in our YouTube channel, but at the same time, your profile will be uploaded in our website. Do you agree?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you help me introduce yourself, please?
My name is Hugo Rosero. I'm 27 years old, May 1997. My weight is 60 kilograms, 5'1", height. I live in Taytay, Rizal. I have two children, 1 year old and 5 years old.
Okay, I need to know some few more details from you. Are you ready passport?
Process po, ma'am. The
Okay.
process.
Are you single with live-in partner, single mother, or married?
Live-in partner po.
Okay, what is your religion?
Catholic.
What about your educational background?
High school level, ma'am.
You mentioned that you got two kids, right? So this is your first time working abroad, then who will going to take care of your children?
My mother and sister.
Is your family allow you to come and work here in Malaysia?
Yes, ma'am.
What about your live-in partner?
Yes, ma'am.
How old is he and what is his occupation?
He is rider, ma'am, and 31 years old.
How many brother and sister do you have?
Three only, ma'am. I'm the middle child.
Okay. What about your parents? How old is your parents and what is their occupation?
My mother is 51 years old, sober in the house, and my father is 60 years old, poor man. My stepfather is 53 years old, kidney disease.
Okay. So in your biodata, it was stated that you have a working experience way back 2022 to 2024 as a housemaid. In which place in the Philippines?
In Marikina, ma'am.
Marikina. What are your duties to your previous employment in Marikina?
Washing, cleaning, ironing, cooking, and take care of the child.
How old is the child that you take care?
2, 5, 11.
2, 5, and 11. So total 3 children.
Hmm.
Are you sure that you have a working experience as a housemaid in Marikina?
Yes, ma'am.
How sure you are?
100%, ma'am.
Why you wanted to come here as a domestic helper? Why you didn't choose like to stay in the Philippines only? You know that domestic helper is very tough job. Why did you still choose this field?
I want to help my family and I want to build my future of my children and my fam to to build a house for them.
Okay. But you will going to sign a 2 years contract, okay? You cannot simply say I wanted to go back home because I miss my family. No such a thing because you will sign a 2 years contract and any uncertain situations that might happen to your family back in the Philippines, please be remind yourself that you cannot easily go back home. Breaching of contract, you know that there will be a consequences, which is you need to pay your employer and at the same time with the agency, as nobody force you to come and work here in Malaysia. Am I right?
I understand, ma'am.
Are you ready for any task that the employer will be given to you?
Yes, ma'am.
You need to be flexible, you need to be multitasking.
Yes, ma'am.
Are you okay to take your children or baby while doing house chores at the same time?
I do it, ma'am.
Can you take care elderly people?
Willing, ma'am.
Can you cook?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you caregiving for bedridden patient and disabled person?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you comfortable taking care of pets?
A small animals po.
Okay. Do you know how to speak Malay or Mandarin?
No po.
No. So are you aware that usage of mobile handphone, you are not allowed to use your phone during working time, but instead you can hold your phone during nighttime only after you finished your job for the whole day. And you will render your phone on the next morning before you start your work. On your rest day, you are entitled to have a rest once a week, but you are not allowed to go out on your rest day. You will going to stay inside the employer's house only. And if you will work on your rest, employer will going to compensate your salary, which means in our contract right now, we have 1,800. And if you will work, you could have 2,080 ringgit. So are you okay?
Yes, ma'am.
You agree with our terms and conditions?
Yes, ma'am.
I just wanted to make it clear in our initial interview that you agree all these things because we don't want that you were going to demand us once you come to work here in Malaysia. You were going to demand us, Ma'am, I want to hold my phone for the whole day, no such a thing. Because in our initial interview, you want to go out on your rest day, no such a thing. Because in the first place, you already agree with our terms and conditions. Yeah? If you disagree, it's okay also. Then you cannot come here. You better stay in the Philippines. But if you agree, it's okay also. Then you can come and we don't have any problem. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
So always remind yourself why you wanted to come and work abroad. Because you wanted to sustain your family's needs. You wanted to give a better future for your children. Right?
Right, ma'am.
So always remember that we need to respect the employer. We need to follow the rules and regulations. We need to respect the culture. Any problems, any concerns, inform your employer.
Yes,
Okay?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So what most do you like in chores?
Cooking, ma'am.
Cooking. You
And thank
love cooking.
you, ma'am. I'm willing to learn how to cook.
Okay. So you have experience on how to take a bath a child and giving like how to take care of the child. You know how to give bath, right? You know how to feed them.
To patient her or him.
Okay. So this is not the Philippines, okay? As I have mentioned many times, this is not the Philippines. In Philippines, we might be the boss. We can do whatever we want, but here in Malaysia or in any other countries, no such a thing. Yeah?
Yes, ma'am.
I think that's all for now. Thank you for your time, Yuki. It was my pleasure meeting you. But please stay connected through WhatsApp because Global Ace agents will going to contact you to conduct an interview together with the employer. Yeah? Thank you so
Thank
much and have a good day.
Take care, ma'am.